I'm Julian Ryan, an applied storyteller, humorist, and trainer, and I coach individuals on teams and how they communicate and collaborate with each other. I'm always studying human behavior and looking for methodologies that will help address our challenges, especially our decision-making capabilities. I recently completed a course called Advanced Neurological Decision Making with Professor Mike Kilgore, and I want to take this opportunity to share my experience. So I took a few notes so I can let you know some of the key points I think are quite valuable. The course's goal is to build our awareness regarding how we make decisions, our big ones as well as our small everyday ones. What's working, what's not, and why? We first review the science of the brain, but then we bring it down to a personal level and develop story-based avatars that represent different aspects of our decision-making process. Using those avatars as thinking prompts allows us to take a step back and pay attention to how we approach situations and why. The course's content is based on Carl Jung's theories and philosophies and NLP, which is otherwise known as Neuro Linguistic Programming. Now, while the course has a weighty title, Mike makes the content approachable, understandable, and manageable. He structures the course so that there is opportunities for group and independent learning. He also incorporates individual coaching sessions into the course schedule. And that allows us to create a personalized and balanced learning experience. Now, Mike's energy and passion about his coursework permeates throughout the entire course and every interaction you're part of. But that's exactly what you want to have in an instructor. The course also makes use of visuals, keywords, and phrases to help us remember what we learned so we can integrate it into our daily lives. And isn't that the point? To apply it when it's done. One of my key phrases was, "The best options arrive late." And this highlights not procrastination, but how our creative brain works to solve a problem. As someone who presents workshops and talks and is always looking for the perfect story or example to share with my group, it can be a little stressful when the best one isn't coming to mind right away. But now, when the perfect idea isn't rising up to the surface right away, I use the phrase, "the best options arrive late," to remind me to trust my creative process and my brain. When inspiration finally makes an appearance, I hear Mike's voice teaching this course. The other thing I liked about this course is that it attracted adult learners from all over the world and those with diverse backgrounds, both culturally and work-wise. The group and the Zoom breakout sessions were dynamic and energizing. Not only did we benefit from listening to others' perspectives and sharing ideas, we grew our professional networks. Creating an interactive and engaging course on Zoom is an art and a science. This course's format took into consideration many things, including extroverts and introverts' communication preferences. There was quiet thinking time, there was time to chat as a group, and on a one-to-one basis. There was just enough of each option. Listen, our successes and our productivity are never the result of doing just one thing. However, identifying and using tools that will make a difference is key. If you are seeking a learning experience that will help you develop your gifts and talents, The Advanced Neurological Decision Making course warrants your consideration. Thank you. All the best.